I've always been really interested in working with my hands and really being able to stand back at the end of the day and admire the work that I had done. We're on track to learn an entire truck bumper to bumper, every nut, bolt, washer, and wire. It's pretty incredible. And really, we all work well together. We laugh, joke, have a good time, and at the same time, we can still get a lot done in a short amount of time.
We're a little bit different than a lot of other schools too, where we do a lot of live work. These are all customer repair type jobs. So it kind of keeps this, I guess, the training as real as it possibly can. That helps our students too, and the employees that are hiring our students, especially in the last few years, say they really do notice that. We even have computers on at each station kind of type in their stories, keeping it real, because really fixing these trucks is one part of it, but doing it done right, on time, getting the parts built out right, that's all another piece of this puzzle here.
I think this school in particular has a tremendous reputation especially for diesel mechanic. And all trucking company and dealership that I was able to visit, they love students who came from this school because they offer the best. They hardworking guys, and they very disciplined, and they very learned.
Most of our graduates go out and work in this industry, whether it be working for a fleet or in a dealership. Actually, right now, most of them are employed even before they are done with school. So it's a pretty busy industry right now.
Those of us who are here, we all enjoy what we're doing, and I'd say 90% of us are already working in the industry, either part-time or full-time.
Whoever wants to become a diesel mechanic, you know, doing it, go for it. You're not gonna regret.